Join me as I take on the challenge of earning real money online fast using the DeepSeek method. Let's see if it's possible. Making money online quickly has always been a fascinating topic, and today I want to share with you a secret that has the potential to change your financial game. Introducing DeepSeek, a method that's been gaining traction for its ability to generate real income online fast. But before we dive into the details, let's set the stage for what's possible with DeepSeek. Imagine being able to earn a consistent income from the comfort of your own home, without having to invest a lot of time or money. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how DeepSeek can make this a reality. Let's face it, making money online can be tough. There are so many misconceptions and challenges that people face when trying to earn a living online. One of the biggest misconceptions is that you need to be a tech genius or have a bunch of experience to make money online. But the truth is, anyone can do it with the right guidance and tools. Another challenge people face is getting started, and that's because they don't know where to begin. They might try a few things, but they don't see results, so they give up. But what if I told you that there's a way to overcome these challenges and start earning real money online fast? One of the biggest myths surrounding making money online is that it's a get-rich-quick scheme. People think that they can just click a few buttons and suddenly they'll be rolling in cash. But the truth is, making money online takes effort and patience. You need to be willing to put in the work and learn from your mistakes. And that's exactly what DeepSeek is all about. It's a method that's designed to help you build a sustainable online income, not just a quick fix. So, why do so many people struggle to make money online? Well, for starters, they don't have a clear strategy in place. They might try a few different methods, but they don't know how to put them all together to create a profitable system. Or, they might not have the right tools and resources to help them succeed. But with DeepSeek, you get access to everything you need to start earning real money online fast. DeepSeek is an online platform that's designed to help you earn money online quickly and easily. It's based on a combination of proven strategies and cutting-edge technology that makes it easy to get started, even if you're a complete beginner. With DeepSeek, you'll have access to a range of tools and resources, including step-by-step training, user-friendly software, and a supportive community. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use, even if you have no experience making money online. One of the things that really sets DeepSeek apart is its focus on user success. The creators of DeepSeek are dedicated to helping you achieve your financial goals, and they've put together a range of resources to help you do just that. From user testimonials to case studies, you'll have access to all the proof you need to see that DeepSeek really works. And with the step-by-step training, you'll be able to start earning money online fast, even if you've never done it before. Let me tell you about one user who saw incredible results with DeepSeek. Sarah had been trying to make money online for months, but she just couldn't seem to get it right. She tried a few different methods, but nothing seemed to work. That was until she discovered DeepSeek. With the help of the step-by-step training and user-friendly software, Sarah was able to start earning a consistent income online. And the best part? It didn't take her months to see results. She started earning money within just a few weeks. DeepSeek isn't just about earning money online, it's about creating a sustainable income that can change your life. And with the right mindset and strategy, you can achieve exactly that. So, let me ask you, are you ready to take the first step towards financial freedom? With DeepSeek, you'll have everything you need to start earning real money online fast. So, to recap, today we've looked at the power of DeepSeek and how it can help you earn real money online fast. We've talked about the common misconceptions and challenges people face when trying to make money online, and we've seen the incredible results that DeepSeek has to offer. If you're ready to start earning a consistent income online, then DeepSeek is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you're looking for more videos on making money online, be sure to check out my next video on similar strategies.